If you've ever needed to scan a document using your Android phone, the first step is installing a reliable scanner app. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few minutes. Begin by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Google Play Store. Make sure you're connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Once the Play Store opens, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Next, type the name of the scanner app you want to install. Some of the most popular options include CamScanner, TapScanner, and Adobe Scan. These apps let you scan documents, receipts, business cards, notes, and other papers using your phone's camera. After typing the app name, tap the search icon on your keyboard to view the results. From the search results, locate the correct app by checking the app name, developer, ratings, and icon. This helps ensure you're downloading the official version. Once you've found it, tap the Install button. The Play Store will automatically download and install the app on your device. Depending on your internet speed, this process usually takes less than a minute. After the installation is complete, the Install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch your new scanner app for the first time. You may be asked to allow camera and storage permissions so the app can scan, save, and manage your documents properly. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to finish the setup. And that's it. You have successfully installed a scanner app on your Android phone. You're now ready to scan documents, create high-quality PDFs, and share your files quickly and easily whenever you need them.